Okay, testing. Caris and Stephanie, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, Stephanie, I can hear you also. All right, just waiting for your video.
Sure.
Yes, Stephanie. Yes.
I think my computer audio's like not working.
This one seems fine. I can hear
Wait,
you
just
well.
now I don't know. The computer audio say failed to detect your microphone
From your PC, is it?
from my computer.
Uh, Usually, if that's the case, you can ignore that and
I
just
mean,
use
I'm
the
only using the
phone's
phone
mic.
anyway.
Yeah, phone's mic. And I think that's totally fine. The PC does not need anything at all. Most of the time, lah. Most of the time. Right.
I
If
go
you
and
can hear, uh-huh.
yeah, I just go and set up the thing first and
Sure,
then
sure,
turn on
sure.
video.
How about Caris? Caris, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, cool. All right, Caris, I'm actually just waiting for your video to turn on. Once you do that, I know that you're ready.
Okay, so I turn on my video.
Oh yeah, of course. Usually you can just turn it on at the start, and when you do that, I know I know that you're ready. I'm just waiting for it. Yeah. Okay. All right, Stephanie. Yeah, I can see that. All right. Okay, looks good so far. Yeah, Haris. Okay, I can. Oh, wait. No, that's not what I mean. Sorry, guys. Okay, sorry. This is my mistake, probably. Um. I've never shown you how to use the phone holder, isn't it? My mistake, Haris.
Oh.
So there's a phone holder that arrived, and I think Ariel used it first. Okay, my mistake.
Yeah.
Right. Could you please, okay, my mistake, I'm sorry. Could you please go to find Ariel or find your mom and take the phone holder, and then I'll help you use it. That will make things much better. Would that be okay?
Yeah, I have it
Right.
right.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, once you're done, please tell me. All
Yeah.
right, Stephanie. The landscape is upside down, so it's a good it's just a reverse landscape. Would you help me with that? Could you see that in your laptop? Yeah, in your PC, you will see that the video is like upside down. So it's a reverse land. It should be a reverse landscape kind of thing. Don't you can turn that, I guess. I guess you can do that. Is is that okay? Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Too close, so maybe you can pull it up a bit. Just a little. Okay, yeah, great. Okay, great. Okay. Now updates, please, Stephanie.
Okay, I have the phone. Hold on.
Okay, all right. So Haris, do you have a Zoom in your phone?
Sorry?
You have your own phone. Sorry, do you have your own phone?
Yes.
All right. Do you have Zoom in your phone?
No. I can
Yes.
download.
Usually people, yeah. Okay. Usually people don't have. Please download first. When you're done, log in, and I'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
Okay. Again, Stephanie, I'm seeing all these questions, but give me an update first. You're muted. Your phone is muted, Stephanie, I believe. So try not to mute your phone. It's not necessary. Stephanie, you're muted, Stephanie. Stephanie, can you hear me? Stephanie, can you hear me?
Oh yeah, sorry, muted.
Right. Okay. Yeah. You're muted. Right. Okay.
The
So there's
teacher
no need to mute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. The teacher
Uh,
say
uh,
for W30 got test like trigonometry and arc length.
okay. Outline is included, of course, together with sector. Anything else?
And symmetry is property of circle.
The properties of circle also. All right. Okay. Sure. Which is what we are talking about lah. All right. Okay. So we have been practicing all that lah. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So we have been preparing for exam lah. Now, has your teacher finished the topic?
Yeah, sort of.
Uh, how does your Karis? Just wait for a while. The update is
But
almost
honestly,
finished.
I don't really understand her.
Teaching.
I mean, I don't really understand like her, like what she's teaching. Sometimes lah.
Let's say you don't understand yet, maybe. As long as we can do exam level questions, for now, you don't have to worry too much of your preparation.
Okay.
Won't be getting any super A, but definitely you won't be confused in exam. That's our goal, right?
Yeah.
Because this topic tends to be confusing in exam. Maybe the pressure, maybe the picture, but for the past 3 weeks, I have been trying to show you how to see the picture. Maybe there's this. So we are practicing the right thing. I was hoping to do more exam level questions today. Now, if your teacher gives you homework, we do that. If not, we choose our own questions. Okay, you tell me whether you have homework from your teacher or not.
I don't think so actually.
All right. Then are you comfortable with we simply
But
choosing questions?
I also don't know if I have homework or not. But I think don't have lah for E-math.
Okay. Now, if that's the case, then we cannot rely too much on the school class. But you already know that there isn't much that we can rely on. So we just go our own tempo and our own ways for now. So for example, I'll tell you, could you please do question 13 of the previous page? Just now. That's a very simple one. Question 13.
This one?
Yeah, question 13 and 14 are definitely exam level already. Definitely. Okay, we'll start with that. As per usual, screenshot this. You help me screenshot, put it in the Jamboard, and then you can start already because you don't have to show me the question. Once you screenshot in Jamboard, you can just show me your working. I think that's better. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, please do so. All right, Kari, sorry. Thank you for the wait. Now, first thing first, could you please speak so I know whether the audio is okay or not?
Hi.
Right. Hi. Okay, maybe just a longer sentence. Haris, how was your day? Good or bad?
My day was good.
All right, and I can hear you very clearly. I'm also very happy to hear that. Yeah, I think the audio is fine. Okay. Usually, Haris, I would ask my students to have the mic from the phone, but the mic from your iPad is totally great, so there's no problem there. Now, we are going to put the phone on the phone holder. Let me confirm one thing. You have never seen your sister do it.
Yeah.
Okay, then I just show you from the start and it's quite easy. To do that though, you do need to on your video. You help me on your video so I can see the phone holder and then help you.
Okay.
Definitely, I'm using the previous Jamboard. Yeah, okay, yeah, okay. Right. Just a new page. Put those two questions in the Jamboard and then you no longer have to show me. You can show it to yourself, but you don't have to show it. Stephanie, if you forgot how to screenshot, please tell me. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Haris, it's almost done already. So to properly do this phone holder, you need both your hands. So I do need you to put your iPad somewhere so that you can use both your hands. It is important to use both your hands. Could you do that, please? That means put your video somewhere, maybe on the table, still can see, but your hand must be ready.
Oh, okay, wait, give me a second.
Stephanie, I need you to screenshot the question into the Jamboard. Do you know how to do that? Don't
Yeah,
mute,
I
Stephanie.
kind
Don't
of.
mute.
I actually don't know how to screenshot.
Okay, let me teach you. We have to do this often, right? Okay, so very easy. You're using a Windows PC, right?
Screenshot on the computer?
You're using a Windows PC, right?
No, Mac,
Uh-oh.
Apple.
This is always the more troublesome. For some reason, Mac screenshot is always very bad one. Oh dear. Okay. Look, we're not going to troubleshoot that. I'm going to screenshot for you first for today, right? Just a minute. Okay, Haris, I can see your video. Getting there. Okay, all right. Stephanie, I'm trying to screenshot it and hopefully that works. Okay, Stephanie. Okay, it works. All right. Okay, now feel free to continue. Right, I'll follow you through video. Okay, Haris, the setup is almost done. Now I want you to notice that a special join near the top, the special join, you can bend 90 degrees. Not that one, but the one below, just slightly behind that one. That thing can bend 90 degrees. Good. Bend it 90 degrees. This is what you're supposed to do. Okay, good. Now, the head, you're going to twist upside down. The head. The white head, you twist upside down. Don't worry, this thing cannot break one. This thing is super solid. The head, yeah. Got it. Okay, good. This is the proper setup. The jaw is on top. The lamp you can turn if you want to. Usually people don't use the lamp. Okay, now this is the proper setup. The jaw is facing up. Why? Because after this, you're supposed to put your phone on the jaw, screen facing up, main camera facing down. Now is the time to do it. Right. Okay. Now, Stephanie, when you're stuck, please tell me, because I can follow you. Yeah, the jaw will not break. Just pull the jaw. Yeah, okay, yeah, great. Okay, good. Now you want to push your phone a little bit outside because the camera should be peeking out and the screen is okay. Good. Now turn off your iPad video and turn on your phone video. Okay, now we're going to use your phone video only. Stephanie, are you stuck?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right. Now, he wants you to find the area of the sign. The triangle, let's just consider the triangle to be the easier one for now. Let's pretend, okay?
Yeah.
Pretend, yeah? Triangle is easy. So the hard one is the sector. Do you realize that you're dealing with a sector question? First thing first.
Yeah.
Now, show me where the sector is. Show me. I want you to clearly show me where the sector. Here's the problem. That is not the sector. That is sector plus. What do I mean by that? Okay, you gotta realize that the sector is this one. The sector is here. The sector is only that. Now, how do we know?
That's on Jamboard,
Because on the Jamboard. I'm writing on the Jamboard. Are you following? No, page 3. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Right. So the sector is only this one, okay? It's only this one. And then plus a triangle. How do we know? You must always imagine a pizza. A pizza is a circle, right? And then you cut the pizza, you get a minor sector, correct? A smaller sector, and you have always the leftover, which is a major sector. So far, so good?
Yeah.
If you think that the whole ice cream is the major sector, you are going to be very confused because it's actually major sector plus a certain triangle. Do you understand what I'm saying first?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you go and find the area of the major sector because I teach you a major sector is just a fraction of a circle. To do that, you need the angle. The angle is usually hidden from you and you gotta find it. Make sense?
So find the angle first.
Always. If the question hides from you the angle is always the first thing that you find. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
That's how you think in exam. And therefore, this is an exam level question because they hide it from you and the shape is real. Give it a try, yeah? You'll be using trigo. Okay, Haris, I'm just waiting for your phone video to turn on and your iPad video can turn off.
Wait, which way does the camera face?
What you put just now was correct. The way you put just now was correct. It seems to me the phone screen is facing up and the main camera of the phone is facing down. Just now you put it, it seems correct to me.
Like where does
Yeah.
the camera face? Does it face on like here or here outside?
The main camera must be outside
Okay.
because then the main camera can look down and then you get a view just like Stephanie. Okay, it looks good to me, Haris. It looks good. All right, then you turn off your video and then you turn on your phone video. Right now, Stephanie, are you stuck?
We're supposed to find angle, right? For this.
If you cannot find angle, you cannot move on. As in, you cannot. Right?
Wait, so
The
how to find
angle is
angle again?
you're mistaking the question. You're mistaking the question. If you think that finding the angle is straightforward, that's the problem. They don't make it straightforward. Right? They don't. How to find the angle again? There is no one-step thing. You have to look at the question and figure it out. Okay, if that sounds very hard, I suppose it's hard from the start, but it'll get easier. Okay?
Mhm.
Right? So
Okay.
Karis, turn off your iPad video, yeah? Now, Stephanie, be a bit creative and surprise, surprise. I'll give you a bit hint, maybe surprise, surprise. Maybe you want to focus on the triangle. I'm not sure whether that works, but it might work for you. It might work. Okay, it may work. You give it a try first.
The
Focus on the
triangle.
triangle to help you find the angle. Right?
Like this
Try a
small
little bit.
triangle OAC.
The small triangle. Let's see whether that works or not. Usually that's the easy triangle to deal with. So hopefully that works. If it doesn't, then we have to think. Fine. Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
Haris, your view is almost correct. Yeah? It's almost done because it allows me to see your work later on. Okay. Now, would you just kindly put a textbook or a paper on your table so that we can adjust our video? I'm going to draw the OAC beaker. DB, what is this? DB, is this DB 2/3 B? DB 2/3 DB 2/3 BE. Yeah, okay. TB
Yeah,
2/3 BE.
it's DB equals 2/3 BE.
Oh, I believe we have to use that. I think we gotta use that. There is no other way. Oh, this question is tough. This question is tough in a way that they hide the angle from you in a very
Wait, no, I think
way.
I just
Right?
got the
Try.
idea.
Try something. Yeah. Get an idea, try. You're right. You're right. Okay, Haris. Okay, almost done. Yeah, almost done. So now, first thing you gotta do, your phone has a landscape mode. So I want you to actually make your phone into landscape mode, just like what Stephanie is doing.
Eh,
Currently, your phone is in a portrait mode. If you see the picture, it's clearly portrait. You compare it with Stephanie's video. It's a very different video. How do you landscape your phone? You just, just flip landscape, something like that. Does that make sense? Flip landscape. On the jaw, you can just flip landscape. If you have no idea what I'm saying, I'm gonna help you. First time always very difficult one. Okay, can you see me, Karis?
Yes.
Can you see me? Okay. Now, your phone is currently like this. The jaw is holding the phone. Am I correct?
Yes.
And then I say, hey, you're in portrait mode. So what you have to do is simply do this, toot, toot, like that. Just landscape the jaw, and then the phone will enter landscape mode if you don't lock it, and then return it back. Do you understand?
Oh,
Like that.
no.
Okay, that's all. The usual thing you do, lah. Okay, give it a try.
What
Landscape
was
your
it?
phone.
It was already in landscape. It doesn't like.
No, don't spin. No, don't spin the jaw. It doesn't work. It's always in portrait if you do that. Spin it back, spin it back, spin it back, spin it back. Don't worry, your jaw won't break. Spin it back, spin it back.
Origin position.
Okay, then like this, then like that, then landscape it like that, like that. Your spin doesn't help. It's the usual landscape, please, something like that.
Yeah, hang on.
Yeah. Landscape it. Come on.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
Yeah, don't worry, it won't break. Be careful of your phone instead of the phone holder. Be careful of your phone. Yeah, see, it's landscape now. Now flip the jaw again. The jaw is not in the right position. The jaw is you gotta spin the jaw, man. You gotta spin the jaw back. Yeah. Okay, right. Okay, almost there. Stephanie, can I confirm that? Oh, you're trying something else. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Oh, you're trying something else? Okay, that's fine. I'm following. Yeah. Because I was thinking that maybe you're stuck. Okay, Haris? Yeah, Haris. Now you can see that your video is in a better landscape mode. This is what we're aiming for. Ken?
Yes.
I'm turning off my video, right? So first thing first, then the second thing you can do is to zoom in. You're gonna pin your own video, and then your video you can pinch out. You can zoom in. Oh, good, wonderful. Why do you zoom in? So I can see your writing better. Okay. So from now on, I can follow your writing very closely. Then it makes it easier. Make sense, Haris?
Yes.
There is one more adjustment to do, but later lah. Now, are you in left-hand mode? Are you in a left-hander or right-hander?
Right-hander.
If you're a right-hander, your phone stand should be on your left so that it doesn't disturb you. First thing first. Secondly, the phone should be a bit high so that it doesn't block your head while sitting. In short, the phone holder shouldn't be disturbing you. You should feel that it's not there lah. Make sure that it's nice for you. Okay. Okay. Once you're done, you can look at your Jamboard. The Jamboard is now for me to write something for you. You write on paper better lah. The more we do model, I think the better it is to use paper, right? Right. Now, nothing stops you from using your iPad, but I'm just suggesting that paper is slightly better. Okay, Haris?
Okay.
Okay, now you tell me what you want to discuss after I help Stephanie a bit. Stephanie, are you still stuck? It is a difficult question.
No, I'm still thinking.
Sure. Then I'll be with Haris first. Haris, all right. Do you want to talk about last week's question, or do you have something new today?
Don't know. Like I'm not sure because like my teacher already went through it. So
Well, here's the question, Haris. Your teacher always went through it, right? Always, right? And they give you the understanding. Can you understand her method?
yes.
If you can understand her method, can you do it in exam? For example, probably. For example, this question, page 3, right? There's no working here. You don't get to see your teachers working. Can you just do it one more time?
Oh, okay.
Can you? All right. Okay. Then if you can, you have the confidence to do it in exam. Good for you. Please try. Okay. You don't get to look at the working. Okay. You don't get to look at it. Okay. All right. How is it, Stephanie?
Yeah, I kind of stuck a little bit.
All right. So let's see
Because
what
I
we
don't
can
know
do.
how to find AB.
You don't know how to find AB. You're right. We don't have AB. That's a problem. We don't have OB. That's a problem. The only thing we have is AO, 0.4. Nothing much for now, right? Nothing much. So it's a bit worrisome. It's a bit worrisome. Okay. Let's see what we can do. DB is 1. Okay. Now, when he say DB 2/3 BE, that means dB, I'm using the 2/3 thingy. I think there's no other way we have to use it. dB 2/3 BE means this is 2 unit and this is 3 unit. You tell me if you agree or disagree.
Agree.
Okay, this 2/3 blah blah blah. Oh, that means I immediately have how many meter is this? Because I have the whole thing, I have the whole thing 5 unit. See, 1.5 meter is 5 unit. So I can go find my 3 unit and 2 unit. See whether
Yeah,
that
I
helps
did.
you or not. Okay, then what is 3 unit? Tell me. Oh, you
3
have
over
0.9, sorry, 0.9, 0.6. Okay. Then because you have 0.6, do I have to hint you more? Because you have 0.6, the triangle is now very good. Because you have 0.6, you can do something about the triangle.
Wait. That is for.
I'm still focusing on the small triangle.
Oh, wait. This one can use Pythagoras theorem. I forgot.
Pythagoras theorem. No, I'm going to stop you there right now. Sorry, I'm going to stop you there right now. Sorry. This is 0.2. This bothers me a bit. How come you cannot see that OB is 0.2?
Huh? I wrote it down.
Oh, you did? Oh, my goodness. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm the one who is blind. Now, that means there's something that you want to know.
Yeah,
A
so we can use
triangle
Pythagoras theorem for AB because it's a right angle triangle.
For what? Why do you want an AB? Actually, I know. Sorry, I know why you want an AB. I know. And finding an AB is good, but you want the angle also.
Oh, you can use trigonometry also.
Of course, Pythagoras is valid. Trigonometry is also valid. Now, I agree that you need AB for the area later. I agree. But right now, if you want to solve the hardest thing, which is the sector, you need the angle, not AB. You can find AB right now. Please don't forget to find the angle also. Make sense?
Okay.
Feel free to try. Feel free to try. Now the question is easier already. Haris, sorry. What's going on? Are you stuck or something, Haris?
I trying to like move the. It's like I need to look at the Jamboard too.
Yes, you can look at the Jamboard. Yes, in page 3, I think page 3 is the question. Oh, page 2 also fine. Page 2 we haven't finished, right? Okay. However, don't wait too long, okay, Haris? If you think that you actually forget how to do it, you gotta tell me,
Okay.
right? You gotta tell me. We cannot wait too long. You know. Okay, Stephanie, and your Pythagoras will give you an answer, which is which should be quite nice. Zero 0.34 or something. Okay. Okay, Stephanie, why are you stopping? It's just a calculator. Oh, you just stop there. I guess that's fine. That's an A math thing. You can stop there. It's fine. Totally fine with me. Totally fine if you want to stop. Okay, Haris, can I confirm that you're doing the volume question?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Okay, let's see how you do.
Oh wait, hang on. This pen doesn't have any ink.
Mm.
No,
Okay, Stephanie, you want half? Sure. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, Stephanie, all right. So half time. That's the base area. Okay, sure. Mm-hmm. Yes, Stephanie, good. Fancy. Oh, wow. You 0.2 plus 0.9. You're quite fancy. You know this thing, eh? Stephanie, you're muted. Yeah, don't mute, please. Unless you're very, I said, unless your room is very noisy, please don't mute. We cannot communicate. Right? Okay, good. Right. Okay, leave it there. Before, after, Haris. Okay, sure. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, that's correct, Haris. That's correct. If you know that from the start, that is very easy. You're correct. Okay, Stephanie, you use cosine. That's great. Why do you decide to use cosine? Sorry, I didn't. Angle. I see what you mean. Okay, I understand what you want to do. Yeah. Okay. The answer should be 60 degree, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And at this point, you will be able to find the angle that you want.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good, good. In general, your thinking is okay. And you can see that this question is complicated. There is no shortcut, by the way. The way you do it is already considered quite short.
Okay, so that's 240 degrees. So that is
That is
pi r square, right?
what do you mean by pi r square? Just checking.
I mean, wait, is that?
Who
I
is pi r
forgot the
square?
pi area. Is it this one over 360 times
The fraction, yeah, the fraction times the full area,
pi r
right? The
square?
fraction, yeah, okay, correct. Haris, just checking, are you stuck?
Yeah.
Oh, surprisingly, you're very close. Okay, now, now I want you to now you notice that when you're writing, when everybody's writing, the paper is slanted. Do not straighten your paper. Do not, do not. Write again and go back to your natural slanted paper. Okay, natural slanted. Is this natural? I think you're even more slanted than this just now.
No, but when I start writing, it's like that. I don't know
Okay.
how.
Okay, like that. Okay, stop there. Okay, now why am I asking you this? So don't touch your paper. Okay, your phone holder adapts to you, not the other way around. Okay? You don't go straighten your paper. It's not natural. I want your phone holder. Now I want you to spin your phone so that I can look at it straight. I don't want you to straighten your paper. I want your phone to follow your slantedness. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's more slanted. So the other way, then I will become, it looks straight to me as long as it's slanted. Yeah, something like that. Something like, no, that's the other way.
Oh, hang on.
Yeah, no, that's the other way. Yeah, you want to turn it the other way so that it appears straight to me, but you are still slanted, and that's great. That's what we're supposed to do. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, something like that. Okay, now you see that I cannot. You're wasting the top part, right? Stephanie, good job. Yeah, you just checked the answer key. Yeah. So you try that. Yeah, now I can follow you much better. Hmm. Oh, you're no longer stuck, Haris? That's a bit surprising. Have you done A or not? Sorry. Are you done with A? You're supposed to be able to do A very quickly already.
This
Where's
is
A?
A.
Just show me. Just show. You guys get represent. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. So confirm you know your A. Okay, good. Are you stuck with B? Is that what you're saying?
No, I just didn't look at the question.
Good. Because B is very easy when you can do A. Very easy. Okay, how is it, Stephanie? Is it good?
Yeah, I got the answer.
Very good,
Done with
Stephanie.
question 13.
Very good.
I
What did you
almost
learn?
forget that I have to add up the areas first.
Good. What
done.
did you learn from this question? Stop first. This exam level, what did you learn?
You just, they kind of mix in sector topics also technically.
Pythagoras and Tokaso, both.
Yeah.
And this will
Lucky my
happen.
sector topics are not that bad lah, so
Very
I
good.
don't struggle
Very
with
good.
that.
I can see that very well. I have faith in you, your Sec 2. What else do you learn? That's not learning. I mean, that's great. That's great. You were prepared. But what else do you learn?
For this kind of question, you need to know, like, you kind of need to see where the sector is.
Oh, you do. And the most important thing in sector and arc is the angle.
The angle, yeah, the angle.
Which they will hide from you very well. Which they will.
Yeah, but you need to, you technically can find angle using trigonometry.
Yes, and you will expect to do that. You will expect yourself to do that.
Yeah.
Figo, Pythagoras, whatever other technique that they can employ, they will employ, and they expect you to do. Okay,
yeah.
Be prepared. Okay, exam level. Now, next question,
Okay.
even harder. Okay, Haris, you're done right now. Haris, you notice that
So
your
which
video.
question do I do?
14, the harder one.
Okay.
Okay, Haris, remember you're shifting your paper up so that I can see. That's not natural at all. That means when you're writing, I cannot follow. What you must do is actually adjust your phone holder down so that you don't something like that. Then you can write naturally. Make sense, Haris? Even more down. See, because I cannot see your writing on the bottom. Okay, I have to see all your writing, something like that. Okay, later you adjust again. Right? Later you adjust again. Okay, so but totally great. I like what you're doing. A is correct. B is usually easy one. Okay, B is usually easy one. We were discussing this until the volume part, and then we stopped. Looks like you solved the volume part already. Looks like.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you something about the volume. The volume one you learn from your teacher, correct or not? Or 1:3, 1:6, something like that. Correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
The question is, can you figure this out by yourself if your teacher never tell you?
Probably not.
So if probably not, right now, you already have a higher chance than before because you're learning from your teacher obviously very well. Okay, first thing first lah. First thing first. Okay, I'm glad that means your class is good lah. Really, I'm glad. Okay, I'm very happy. Okay, that was the point. If you face another problem, hopefully we can discuss intuition. The problem that we discuss intuition is something like this. I cannot figure it out. How do I figure it out myself? Okay.
Okay.
Right? That's what we discuss. Okay. The hardest part of the exam, I see something new, I'm supposed to figure it out. That is what we discuss. Okay. So that you don't feel too stressed in exam. Now, the next question is also not very easy. Money is always a difficult question. Can you do that or not? Money is just a troublesome topic. But money is important. What to do? Can you do it? Has your teacher discussed the money question?
Yes.
Do you know how to do it right now without looking at anything?
We just try first.
Of course. Money, yeah, the most troublesome topic sometimes. Okay, Stephanie. A very fancy question, very fancy. But he gives you an angle, so that's something.
Yeah,
in fact, he gives you. He gives you. Yeah, in fact, he gives you the most important angle. Oh, he gives you the angle. Oh my goodness. Now that's scary. If it is a difficult question and they give you the angle, wow, that's even scarier. Okay. How are you going to do this? Ooh.
I found angle BOQ already.
POQ. Sorry, why do you want angle POQ? Sorry, what?
No, I mean B.
Oh, BOQ. Oh, sorry, BOQ.
BOQ.
Why do you want angle BOQ?
Because the answers to find in the first part.
Which means it's going to be useful, right? Okay, sure, continue. I cannot see the question, but I'm guessing it will be the area of the shaded region. Lah. You follow the
Angle
question first, lah.
BOQ
Find the
is
length AQ.
not like angle BOQ is like this one.
And I'm very confident that it is useful. If you cannot see that it is useful, you have to think about it later, lah. Later. Pretty
Yeah.
sure it's useful in part 3 or part 4. I'm not sure about part 2. You check out part 2 first, seems easy.
But isn't this the same as this?
I'm not going to answer that. If you think you can, I'm not going to answer that. I'm not going to spoil it.
Wait. They say OX. Eh? Where is OX? Oh, OX is this one. OX defines OAQ into two congruent triangles. Yeah, this one is all the same triangle.
I mean, the two half triangles are congruent. Okay, yes, no problem, yes. But how does that help you with AQ? Sure, okay.
I'm guessing this one need to use trigonometry again.
Oh, you should guess that for every question. You should just simply prepare to do that for every question. Whether the sine rules, cosine rules, sec 3 one or the sec 2 Tokaso one, either one. Thankfully, if it is sec 2, thankfully.
Yes.
Aris, are you okay so far?
No, hang on.
Don't wait too long, yeah? Let me help you after 2 or 3 minutes, okay?
Yeah, I'm stuck. Okay.
The 5:2 is wonderful. Tell me, how did you know that?
Because like if you have like 5 20 cent coins, it's $1.
So I think your value is quite good. I think. Not bad, not bad. You figured out this, you figured it out on yourself?
Like after my teacher explained to me.
But that means you do still remember. It still feels good. Still feels good. I mean, I'm still happy about it. Okay. It doesn't matter where it comes from. Doesn't matter. Right now, let's start with this. So the B4 is clear, right? The B4 is clear, which is 20 cent, 50 cent. Never mind. I'm going to screenshot. Sorry, better screenshot your own. Okay. So the thing about before and after is always to think about what happens in between. How do they change? If we can figure out something which is easy to handle, we are quite happy. Now, there are two things here, right? The 20 cent and the 50 cent. There is also the total and the difference. Sometimes the total helps, sometimes the difference helps. Okay, sometimes. Okay, so I'm just going to write it down first. The total, is it helpful or not? I don't know. The difference, is it helpful or not? Haris, I'm going to tell you something. The total or the difference help if before and after they are the same. So let's think about it for a while. Is the total the same before and after? Just checking.
No, it's the difference.
I don't think so. Total doesn't help. I mean, you can, but I don't think it's very helpful right now. You're right. How about the difference? Is it the same before and after?
Yes.
Think carefully. Is the difference the same? Think carefully.
No.
I agree also. Okay. Oh my goodness, what's going on here? The total is not the same. The difference, if they are the same, we would jump right onto it, correct?
Yeah.
Before we despair, we must check one more thing, which is the individual stuff. Very simple one. The individual 20 cent and 50 cent. Before and after, the 50 cent the same or not?
Oh.
Try again. Try again. Look. Oh, no, it's not. Unfortunately, no. Unfortunately, they are not the same also. This is very unfortunate. The 20 cent, unfortunately, the 20 cent reduces and the 50 cent increase. Correct or not?
Yeah.
The 20 cent reduce, which is going to write down, okay, reduce. This is a very unfortunate. That's why this is a bit of troublesome question. And this one increase. Increase. Right. All right, now here's the key. The key is in this sentence. Now, your teacher doesn't teach you the way I do. The teacher doesn't teach you, read first, settle the question first. Your teacher teach you immediately find the connection. Okay? I teach you a bit differently for difficult question. For difficult questions, look at the sentence slowly, figure out what you can do, by reading about it. Maybe you write something about this. Write something about this sentence because you know what? You're not writing something about that at all. Why? You're busy finding connections. You're busy trying to find connections such that you totally ignore writing simple things for this sentence. But that is what I teach you last week. Okay? I want you to ignore your working right now. Just leave it there. It's great. Please write something here. If you read this sentence, write something about it, please.
Yeah, I wrote it. Okay, hang on. I canceled that out.
And so write down, and this is not working. This is just reading comprehension.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, canceling is a bad idea. Okay, 20 times 0.2 is, yeah, okay, great. Okay, I agree. Okay, so 4, yeah. Okay, yeah, great. 8 cents. Yeah, okay, good. I feel that you're not reading the question. Now, what makes you cancel this? Why do you cancel this, Karis? I think that's the wrong move. Why did you cancel it?
Because I was thinking of the ratio.
Because like this, let me explain this to you. You're busy thinking about how to solve the question. You don't even bother reading it and making sure you can use the sentence. Now, I teach you, stay there and then find the connection. Find the connection between what you write just now with the ratio. You think like that. Stephanie, just to confirm, you're going very fast this time. You okay?
Yeah, I think I can do that. It's just I was
Where are you
thinking,
right? Where are you? Oh, you found AQ. So you found AQ, right?
yeah, then I find the triangle.
The AQ is 13. Wait, let me think for a while. It seems wrongly.
Huh? But the answer key says 13.0.
That's very weird. Wait, let me think for a while.
I checked with the answer key for
Anyway,
part 1, part 2.
sorry. If your answer key is correct, sorry. I shouldn't be saying that you're wrong. Okay, you're correct. Good. Now you are in perimeter, is it? You're in perimeter.
Yeah.
Okay, then how do you choose to do perimeter? Tell me, how do you do perimeter?
Hey, wait, what am I doing? This is
Yeah, I'm
shit.
very confused. You are,
Yeah,
I think you're
I'm
doing something correct.
Yeah,
The
I think I'm doing. I don't even
1321,
know what I'm doing already because
your
just now I
132
find
is
the
correct.
area.
Your 132 is correct. The 132 over 360 times 2 pi 16 is correct. Could you please label that, please? Could you please label that guy? That one is correct,
Oh,
Label it.
then let's be
Arc something. That's BOQ. No, say arc, please. Say arc. Arc BOQ. Make it clear. It was the arc, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that useful? Just checking. Isn't that useful?
Oh yeah. Hey, wait,
It is. It
yeah.
is.
Yeah.
I don't know about your OX lah. I don't know lah. But BOQ arc is okay. Please continue in the next paper. Haris, have you figured out the connection between this and the top one? Oh, you did. You did say a -4 and +8. Wait, let me think for a while. That doesn't make sense. No.
What?
Okay, look, no, cannot be. Come on. I agree that the 50 cent you +8 coin. I agree. But don't tell me that the 20 cent -4. Come on, don't tell me that. Come on, read the question properly.
Oh, hang on.
Cannot be. It's not -4. Come on. Ah, good. It's -20. Okay. Yeah, not the most helpful thing, but we. How do I hint you? Come on. How do I hint you? How do I hint you? Oh, okay, I cannot. I gotta help, right? I gotta help. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so let me confirm one thing, Haris. Yeah, your teacher regarding money. Your teacher says something like this. Something like this. Let me explain. Let me explain first. Right. Money has also a triangle. Some teacher teach it this way, right? The only triangle you know this currently is the distance, speed, and time triangle. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Sorry, do you? Okay, you know. But a money also have triangle. That's part of why it's difficult. The triangle of the money looks like this. So one coin value here, and then how many coins? How many coins? So this is a value of one coin. How many coins here? And then this one is the total value. Did your teacher talk about something like this for money?
No.
Oh dear. Okay, let me explain first. Choose a coin for me, please. 10 cent, 50 cent, 20 cent.
I use $1.
Oh, sure. $1. Now, the value of one coin, see, one coin is what? $1. That's what you choose. How many $1 coin do you have? Just pretend. How many $1 coins do you have?
1.
No, don't say one. So easy. Come on.
What?
How many $1 coins do you have? Don't say one. It's too easy.
2.
100. You're a rich person, Ken. 100.
Great. Okay.
Okay. Karis is it $100. You have shaved $100 coins, and therefore the total value is 100. Simple, right? Simple. You know this, right? Just want to make a comparison. If I offer to change all your $1 into 20 cents, okay, now you have 120-cent coins. Just to confirm, would you like that to happen?
No.
The reason is because what?
The value isn't the same, so you
Good.
get
Even though the amount of the coin is the same, the value is different per piece. Therefore, the total value is different, and that's how money works. You understand all this, right? So now, why am I talking about all this? Why am I talking about this? Well, the reason is because this level is the level of the amount of coin. The amount of coin. But whenever dealing with money, not just coin, you always have total value of each coin, which is here. See, the value of each coin. Value of each coin. And then you have one more thing. The RPB. What do you mean? The RPB is correct, what?
Huh? No, I'm stuck on finding PQ.
Hey, nonsense. You tell me that you don't know PA. That's what you're telling me.
Huh?
You do not know PA. You're telling me that you do not know PA. That's what you're telling me. Come on, man. No, don't look at your working. No, there is no PA. Just look at the picture. What is PA? Come on.
Wait, it's the same. Oh, okay.
Come on. Yeah, come on. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Right, no problem. So total value, right? Now, there is something that you didn't explore, which is called the total value, Karis, right? Even though you know it in your mind. So I'm going to do that for you first. Now, the total value of 20 cent and 50 cent after the exchange is the same, 1:1. Ken?
Yes.
Will this be okay? Right. Now, very surprisingly, actually, you know the total. You know these two things. Before. You know. Definitely, you know.
Yeah.
You got to think about it, man. What is it?
Wait.
You know that, I guarantee you know that.
Sorry,
You
it's a
just
bit
didn't explore. I'm sorry?
sorry, it's a bit laggy, so
The Jamboard, right? Yeah, this is what happens with Jamboard. Okay, write something on page 3 so it's faster. You have to trigger your Jamboard.
okay. Oh, hang on.
Right.
I'm gonna do this.
Okay, Stephanie, I believe you should be, you just minus that. So I believe you're done already, right?
Oh, wait. But how come this one, how come 36.861 is, why is PB the same as BOQ? Oh, wait, it can be the same.
No, it can be. It's an accident, but it can be.
Yeah,
You're
I go
idiots,
check
yes,
the answer
exactly.
first. I think I got the answer already for
I think
perimeter.
so too. I think so too. Okay, so Haris, can you see the Jamboard now? I'm asking you something, right? The total value before anything happened, you actually know.
Yeah, I
What
got
is
the
it?
answer.
Good, very good. Stephanie, how many times do I help you? How many times do I help you?
As in,
Just now, before you get the final answer, how many times do I help you?
I don't know, 3-4 times.
Actually, I think it's only one time. Come on, Steph. It's only one time. The PA thingy, the one that come on, come on.
Oh, okay.
Only one time. It's good for you. Now practice even harder questions. Okay? Even harder ones. Go ahead. Okay, Haris, okay, you're writing something, but wait, Haris, you're left-handed. Wait, what? Sorry, Haris, you're left-handed.
I'm using it to write because, like, if I write slower, right, then I can think better. But, like,
You can write with both hands? Really?
yeah,
Wow. My first time seeing a person that can do that. I'm quite
Well-
surprised.
like, when I was younger, I practiced because I thought it would be cool. So, yeah,
Well, it's cool for me, It's cool for me, right? The examiner will not know, but it's cool for me, right?
it
Right.
helps,
Okay.
like, better.
Oh, you're right, Karis, you're using very good techniques, Slowing down is good. When the question is hard, people who go fast will fail one. People who go slow may not get it, but people who go fast will confirm fail one, confirm one. Same thing with you, Stephanie. I think you're going on the right tempo. I think you can do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, same thing with you. Okay, so Karis, again, I'm asking you a very important question here. The total value before, what is it? You know. If you don't know, I'll help you more, Karis. I'll help you more.
Yeah, wait, do you just take the ratio and
Okay, I'm going to ask you to think about it. I'm going to ask you to think about it. So 20 cents, but you have 3 times. 50 cents, you only have 1, so to speak. Can't you figure out the total value ratio? Can't you? You think? Is it
yeah.
easy or is it hard? Okay. If it is easy, do it. If it's hard, tell me lah. Stephanie, which question are you doing right now? Sorry, because I cannot follow.
No, I'm now doing part 4. There's the area of the shaded region.
Oh, you haven't. Okay, no, yeah, okay. Part 4 is easy once you can do part 3 lah.
Yeah, but I just realized I did this step which is supposed to be for area. So
Which is nice lah. Which is nice. Good for you.
yeah.
Okay, Haris. Yeah. Okay, 0.6 times 0.5, and then you make the ratio nicer. Come on, make the ratio nicer. You don't have to say you don't have to use decimal.
Wait, hang on. Yeah.
Okay, 6 and 5. Okay, 6. Okay. Now, why do I ask you to do this? Okay, why do I ask you to do this? Because remember, at the start, I tell you, or maybe your teacher also already tell you, we gotta find who is the same before and after. we gotta find the same before and after. The amount of coin level didn't give you anything the same before and after. That's problematic. But the total value level, you haven't explored anything. So tell me, is the 20 cent the same before and after? The total value, the total value. Just checking.
Yes.
No, the 20 cent changes. No, come on. The 20 cent changes. The total value changes. No, cannot. The total. For the 20 cent, because the amount of coin changes, the total value changes also. So they are not the same, okay? Just checking, okay, Kenya? How about the 50 cent? The 50 cent changes or not before and after, but the total value level.
Yeah.
Yeah, it changes. So it doesn't help us much, okay? Not yet. How about the total value?
Yeah.
The total value change or not?
No, it doesn't.
It does not. Very good. Very good. There's the key. There is the key. The total value does not change, and therefore we should focus on that.
Okay.
Okay, give it a try. I'm not sure how you'll do this, but we have something going on here. So please try. Stephanie, just to confirm you're okay, yeah?
Yeah, just now made a careless mistake, but I already found it.
Can you handle the area of the triangle? You will need the area of the triangle, right?
Yeah, I think I already found it actually.
How do you wait? Which one is your area of triangle? I'm very concerned. Which one is your area of triangle?
95.127. This one.
How is that the area of the triangle? Tell me.
Is it? Is it not?
Okay, I mean, who is 13? Just tell me who is 13. AQ, right? AQ is 13.
Yeah.
AQ. But who is 14.6? Just tell me.
Oh, it's OX because I did it in the previous.
Oh, you find you use that method. No, I find. The reason why I asked is because you could have just used the half sine area, the sine area method, which is just slightly shorter than finding OX. But your method is fine. You're totally fine.
Okay.
Right. That's fine. I thought you can do it. 11, okay, 12, 22. Yeah, okay, right, 22. So 22 equals to 22. All right. Does that help you? Just checking. Does that help you in any way? Okay. Does that help you, Haris? Ooh.
Yes.
To me, this is okay. Okay, how does it help you? How does it help you? Yes, how does it help you? To me, this is a scary question. Money is always a scary question. How does it help you, Haris?
So I got the answer.
You got the answer? Congratulations, Stephanie.
Yeah, I just need to round it off to 200 because it's 360.
Oh yes, of course.
But other than that, I done already. Done.
Very good. Good. So I hope you're proud with doing these two questions. I was hoping that you can do one more, and then maybe we can do something else. Maybe.
Okay. Do which question?
Right.
Just asking.
You choose lah. Now you can be brave and choose one. Choose something hard lah.
Of course.
Something hard. Okay. Something that looks hard. Okay, Haris. What are you going to? Oh, I'm so intention. I am so intention. Haris, do I give you a hint or not? Oh, I so want to give you a hint, but do I give you a hint or not? Do you want me to give a hint or do you want to persist?
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
No, don't give up so quickly, Haris. Do you want me to give you a hint or not? Oh, wait, you're doing the right thing. Wait. Are you doing the right thing? Are you? No, you are doing the right thing. What are you talking about? You're doing the right thing. It's fine. You're doing the right thing already. You don't need a hint.
Okay.
Stephanie, which one are you doing?
Question 16.
Gotta show me first. I want to screenshot so I can follow.
Wait. Question 16.
Which one? That one. Okay,
Yeah, this
that
one.
doesn't look very hard, which means it's very scary. If they say it's hard and it doesn't look very hard, it's a bit scary. Okay.
Yeah.
Your choice. Let's do it.
Wait, one.
Okay. Haris, how come it's very bright? Okay, did you turn on a light, Haris, somehow? Did you do that? Oh yeah, don't worry. If you want to turn on a light, it's fine. It's fine.
I didn't turn on it, but I think it's just like focus.
Oh wow. Okay, never mind. Yeah, okay, good.
Oh,
You got the answer. You got the answer. Let me see. What is the value of Jenny's 20 cents? Yay!
yeah,
Good.
just
How did you figure out that the 1 unit is $4? That's the key.
change.
Oh, okay. I mean, lah. Basically, you're saying lah. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Now, how did your teacher do it? It feels like this is like totally new to you, you know?
You know, I think I just forgot. Let's check the worksheet.
And check first. Let's do a comparison and we're going to talk about this. Okay, go ahead and check first.
This is the work.
Okay, you just look at it. Do you understand or not? Because let's pretend that I don't understand. Okay, your teacher is doing it in a different way, right? And that's totally fine. Do you understand or not?
4.
Do you? Oh, 4 mark question. Scary. That's why it's 4 marks. Because question 12 is not supposed to be 4 marks, Karis. What is your school doing? Question 12 is not 4 marks. It's supposed to be 3 marks. And yet this is a 4 mark question. Oh.
What do you mean it's 3 marks?
Usually in the PSLE, right, structure, unless things changes, I don't think things change. Usually the 5 mark is the 3 question behind, right? Question 16, 17, 18, usually. And then there are 4 mark questions before that, usually from 13, 14, 13, 14, 15. Then your school go and include 12 in 4 marks also. Can't blame them. Can't blame them.
I think she just like put different questions in one page. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, it's difficult. I mean, 4 marks question are difficult. So do you understand your teacher's method or not?
No.
Okay. Now, close it for now. It's obviously correct, right? It's obviously correct. It's just that right now it's not useful. So you keep it, maybe next time it's useful. You look at this work right now, this working right now, the one that we did. Is it useful or not?
Yes.
Now, remember one thing, Harisam. When I realized that this question, you have to deal with the total value one, I struggle whether to tell you or not. Okay, because that's key. If you don't think about the total value level, I don't think you can make it. All right. Now, the proof is once you think about it, you did make it. Correct? That's the proof. Now, any money question which is difficult will always make you think about the 3 levels: the value of each coin, the amount of the coin, and the total value. That is the difficult money question, which is 4 marks or 5 marks. That's just how it is. The easy one is either very obvious how to do it, or they don't make you think too much of this level. If this level sounds new, get used to it. My feeling is that you are quite comfortable with it. So I hope that next time when you see a money question that is 4 marks or more, please remember to consider the amount of coin and the total value.
Okay.
Okay.
Like earlier, right, when you were explaining,
Yeah.
like when you went through like about whether the 20 cents that the value of
You
the
know
game,
the total. Yeah.
I thought you meant the total value.
Oh, total value. I mean, we have to go there in the end, right? We have to go there at the end. But individual first, because if you don't think about individual first, you cannot go to the total. Oh wait, do you mean that you already know the total value of each?
Sorry.
So when you sorry, why did you say why did you say that to me just now? What do you want to say? Tell me.
Oh.
I don't get what you're trying to say. Say it to me. Say it to me. It might be important.
Very bad at putting my thoughts into words.
Are you happy with your thoughts right now?
What?
You happy? Are you happy with your thoughts right now?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, all right. If you're happy and you cannot say it to me, next time say it to me lah when you know. It's okay. As long as you're content with what you're thinking right now, it's fine for now. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Now, still, what do? We have 15 more minutes. Any difficult question will be fine. You don't have any difficult question? Really? If you don't have, your teacher or your school should have given you revision packages for PSLE already. Should have. Nothing of that sort, right?
Uh,
Really, no practices that you can do by yourself. This is like 2 months before PSLE. Like.
uh,
Really, prelim papers, that kind of thing. Don't have me?
uh, oh, wait.
Must have lah. Your school looks very ambitious one. Your school should have given you this kind of thing. Should have. Stephanie, are you stuck? Just checking.
No, not stuck.
Okay. All right.
You-
Part A is done. Good. Shaded area also easy. Tell me if you cannot do the shaded area. The shaded area is very standard thing that you must do lah. Just saying, yeah.
No, I think I know how to do. Like you find area of quarter circle first, then you find the area of this sector, then you find the area of this triangle.
Why quarter circle? Why quarter?
I don't know because
In the end, the
then
angle
I'm
is the
so lah
important
after
thing.
minusing everything.
I don't know. Okay, you try first. But we better settle this before the time ends, at least part B. But because part B is considered standard. Okay,
Mm.
you try first, maybe for 3 minutes. If you cannot, I'll give you. Okay, Karis, are you okay so far? Karis, are you looking for something?
Uh.
Okay, go ahead. If you don't have, please tell me. I find that very weird though. Very, very weird.
I can do it.
You can what? Sorry?
My teacher gave us homework. So,
Yes, okay. Show me your homework. Show me some homework, okay?
but it's like I don't need your help to like know how to do it.
You don't know how to do. Can we discuss that? Is okay? We just
I-
discuss the. I cannot hear you. Sorry.
I know how to do it.
Oh,
So,
you have no problem with your homework.
yeah.
I want something that gives you trouble. You don't have any trouble right now. Your life is good.
Can I use my phone to like take a photo?
Of course, you can use your phone to take a photo. There's no problem at all. Stephanie, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm doing a lot of working.
Good. That's fine.
Wait, I want to see the question first. Day.
Okay, I sent you like a question.
You send me a question. Good. Yeah. Okay. Haris. Okay. I can see your phone. Okay. Great. Oh, no. I mean, yeah, looks complicated enough, right? So just to confirm that you have not tried this or you cannot do this.
Yeah, I do it.
Sure. Okay, we go to page 5. I'm putting at page 5. Feel free to try to do this maybe for 2-3 minutes and then let me help you, please. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Stephanie, are you stuck?
No, I'm still doing.
Okay.
Wait.
Hey, Stephanie, how's the catechism, right? Yeah, you're commit to your catechism for around 2 months, right?
Yeah,
Okay, how is it going on? As in, is it okay? I mean, is it too tiring? Is everything going well?
it kind of takes up a lot of my time because now we have this thing called pastoral attachment, and then I no choice
Mm-hmm.
but to go choir. Then I have to like go
Mm,
for choir practice from
mm,
it starts at 3:30, but the actual
mm.
choir thing, like the actual singing is at like 5 p.m. But I have to
Oh,
practice
okay.
from 3:30. So by the time I come home it's like from 3:30 to 6 plus lah. Then I reach home
Right.
6 plus. So it's like
This
CCA
is
like that.
this is Sunday, lah, right? Or
Yeah,
Sunday.
Sunday.
What I don't understand is this. You only have to join the choir until the catechism end. Is that how it works?
No, after choir there's normal catechism lesson. I
So
mean after
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 this,
the 2 months, after these 2 months, no more
yeah.
choir, then you go back to normal catechism lesson.
No more choir lah. So okay, so I didn't understand it wrongly. Like you have to join the choir only for 2 months. Am I
Yes,
correct?
yes. Yeah, two
Oh, okay.
months. After 2 months I
I'm,
don't want already.
yeah. The reason why I ask is because I cannot imagine that. I don't understand why a person joins a choir for 2 months and then stop lah. But my first time hearing all that. Okay, so okay, just to clarify. So after 2 months, you don't have to do the choir 3 hour thingy already lah. Is what you're saying.
Yeah, no need already.
Okay, understand. Okay. I just find it weird. Okay, understand. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, Karis, don't straighten your paper. Don't no. Yes. No, don't straighten your paper. Adjust your phone holder instead. Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, great. Oh, you're doing that method. Okay, that's fine. Okay. I guess it's fast enough for you lah. Okay. No complaints. Okay, it's not that difficult. Um, um, uh, Still very scary though, actually, that I think of it. How come? Seriously. How are you supposed to figure this out now? A bit scary. Okay, Stephanie, I gotta teach you something, okay? Because I don't want time to end. Okay? Okay. Right. So remember the first thing that you learn, in the first question, you gotta figure out the sector, right? They don't always make it obvious what the sector is. Actually, they don't. Now, tell me, in this situation, which one is the sector? Or the arc, whichever. Which one is the sector that is we are concerned about?
This?
Okay, don't say that, but the whole a sector is a pizza lah. So draw for me the
No,
pizza,
wait,
please.
is it
A
this?
pizza, a pizza, a pizza. Okay, yeah, the whole pizza, please. Shade the whole pizza. Shade the whole pizza. A sector is a pizza. Yeah, okay, right. I think you're thinking about the right sector, but I have a feeling that you don't focus on it. That's my feeling, right? Whereas I find in question 14, you're focusing on all the right things. Like you can figure out that the sector QOB is important,
Oh
right?
no.
Maybe because they
Okay.
tell you, I don't know, but I feel that you could have done it in question 14. You could have done it in question 15. So you're focusing on the right sector. Doesn't this sector help you with the shaded area? Doesn't it?
Oh
Look,
shit, I
it's
used the
a,
long method. I used a very
I,
long method when I could have
I
used the
guess
other
so.
one.
I guess so. Correct. So a pizza, right? A pizza is like this, right? All he's asking for you is to cut the pizza into the crust, correct? Into the crust and the triangle. Of course, it is no longer a pizza lah. But some people do that. Some people don't want the crust. Buy crust, cut away the crust. Just eat the triangle where all the nice stuff is. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think that's a very normal way to think about it. Please do it that way. Okay. Just focus on the sector and then focus on the triangle in the sector. You get the crust.
Yeah,
Understand?
okay. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, Haris. Oh, you got it. Oh. Wait, what? Wait a minute. You know what? I would have agreed with you, except that this is the problem here. I would have agreed with you except for the last sentence. Haris. The last sentence is what bothers me.
So I got the answer for part B already. I put it in the calculator.
Sure. As long as next time you do it the crust method, right?
Yeah,
The pizza minus triangle.
I use a very long method. I should have used this method, but I go and find this one. Then I find this
Correct.
sector. Then I find this.
Yeah,
It's very
don't.
Yeah.
Don't. The method I explained to you is a standard okay method. Okay? Remember?
Oh my god, why did I use
sector.
this method? This is the longest method out of everything.
Correct. So remember pizza minus triangle, okay, equals to crust.
Okay.
If you can,
But
you do
anyway, I
the
still
last
got the
one.
answer lah. I still
Sure.
got the answer.
No problem. You see my point, Karis? The last sentence bothers. It does bothers me. It bothers me. What am I supposed to do? Because I think the last sentence is very weird also. Look. We're not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna screenshot your work. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot your work, and then I'm just gonna think about it for a while because I feel the last sentence is extremely weird. So I'm gonna burden you with that for now. So Haris, have I ever shared with you my Google Drive with a lot of PSL, prelim questions?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna do that right now because I'm supposed to do that. Okay, now okay, share first, share. So because I find it very weird that your school doesn't give you, more practices. Your email is,
Oh.
what is your email? Tell me what your email is. Haris.
Can you see like from the chat?
I can probably do that. Let me just, yeah, okay. CSH Yo, right?
Yeah.
CSH, where's Yo? Was it at gmail.com?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, okay. CSH Yo. Okay. Now, I've shared with you your email. Next time we'll use it. Okay. From now on, in your Google Drive, there'll be a folder called Primary 6. It will contain prelims of math and English. The English just for you one is okay. The math one is not going to use. Okay. Now, I'm opening something random from there, and I'm going to just take a random question from it. Or in fact, I want more of a money question. Money. Give me money. Oh, pattern question. Scary.
Teacher.
Sorry, what did you say?
So my school does give me like they give us like past PSLE papers to do.
Okay. And where are they? Can you do it?
Yes, I can do that.
That's what I mean. Okay, but now we have 4 minutes left. Let's just do the question I put in page 5. Next time we will do your school's question first. Okay. Right. We can find many difficult questions there. Stephanie, just to confirm, are you stuck?
No, I found part 1 of C.
Oh, nice.
I found and I checked the answers correct again.
Very good. Oh, actually, that's not very difficult, isn't it? Actually, it is not difficult. Why would they call this a difficult question? But this is exam level.
Yeah, that's my point. Why is this the most difficult question of the entire?
It's very weird. Yeah, it's very weird. But it is exam level. So, we take it like that. It is exam level. It's good. It's good.
Now, I cannot believe they go and put cake into the math question.
But they do that a lot.
Yeah, but why do they have to Why do they have to involve food in this math question?
Because I do that also, because food is universal. Food everybody understand,
Yep,
philosophical.
it's just when food is mixed with math, it does not really give a very
Make
good
it nicer.
impression.
It's not very nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
45%.
Okay, Haris, you're starting with that. Okay. Okay, you're splitting Lily. Okay, sure. Yeah, Megan ratio, you should know is yeah. Okay, good. Remember what I taught you just now, Haris? If this is a difficult coin question, question 17, question 17 is near the end. You should assume that this is a difficult coin money question. You may want to consider the level, right? The one that we talked about just now. Just say. Stephanie, how many weeks before your exam?
Maybe 2 weeks.
So will we meet for one more time or two more times for the exam?
I don't know, maybe 2 more times.
And knowing your teacher, will your teacher give you, near the exam, like right now, right? Will your teacher give you, extra specific revision before exam questions lah? Will he do that?
I mean, I don't know lah. This teacher is a little different.
I mean, from her habits, though, does she or does she not in the past?
Yeah, she does like 1 or 2 practice papers.
We'll see lah. We'll see next Thursday.
Mm.
Okay. So Haris, are you thinking or are you stuck?
So I got the answer for the final part.
Very good, Stephanie. For today, it's fine.
This one
For
I got
today, it's fine.
35.8737, but then the answer says 35. But then I just realized, if it is 35.8737, like it cannot be 36 lah, because you can only make 35. There's the remainder cannot be used to make another cake, Yeah.
To be fair, you did lose 1 mark lah, to be fair. Because logic, you should have answered 35, not 35 point something. That's the second final answer. The final answer should be 35 because logic. Correct.
Okay.
Common sense. Lose 1 mark, but that's what we learned. It's okay.
Okay, so any more
For now, it's okay, Stephanie. I mean, if you want to practice more, at least you know your textbook is useful. I can guarantee you that this is exam levels and they are quite hard. So I guess it's good to practice from your textbook if you don't have any other thing for now. But the circle property one, we didn't cover much. So I hope that you can practice the circle property, maybe by yourself first, and maybe next week we have to focus on that.
Okay, can.
Okay.
But anyway, we finished already lah. Just on time, I think.
Good.
Is this lesson over already?
It is.
Okay.
Right.
I'll see you next week. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. So Haris, for the last thing, come on, remember what we talked about, right? We talk about the number of coins, but we also talk about the total value of the coins. I think you gotta apply that, don't you think?
Yeah.
Right. Time is up though, but I believe if you apply the total value one, just like the previous question, you will be able to solve this question quite easily. I mean, I've seen how to do it already. Okay. I'll see you next week and have a good week. All right.
Thank
Bye. Darlene, I can see you. Can you hear me?
Right, yes.
All right, cool. Okay. Brian is not in yet, but nobody's in yet also. So I want to see your TYS first. Okay. See your TYS for physics first. Sorry, I got some question for you yesterday. So, what do you think about yesterday's math?
Yesterday was good. Yeah, we also discuss many topics. I mean, not topics, questions.
Yes, of course, from paper one, right?
Yeah, yes. So we,
Right.
I think the previous one with Aditya. Yeah, I think so. We review that. Sorry.
The I did I did uh I did ask you to make a big change lah, meaning to say from TYS to the paper one, correct?
Yes.
Um,
So
how
it
do you
was we
feel? Is it a
discussed.
good change or a bad change for you?
It was okay. I think it's quite similar in the
Mm-hmm.
questions. Yeah. So
It's
those
just
that
that in paper one, you have to do a lot of topics. So I'm a bit worried about that.
yeah,
What do you think
it's
about that?
like kind of like mixed up.
Correct.
But
Correct.
it will be the same on the question paper, right? The actual one. It will be like
That is like
scattered.
that. Yeah, it is precisely like
So
that.
it's
That's why
not
lah.
really like, yeah. So I think it's something like that also.
Correct.
So I
Correct.
think it's also okay. At least I get to like get used to the
Get used to
idea
it.
that it's
Correct.
not
And you will
like all
notice
this,
that
yeah, it'll be
the
always
topic is
mixed.
very
Yes.
predictable one after a while. Very, very predictable. Oh, this thing
Yes,
again,
yes.
this thing again, this thing
Mm-mm.
again. Because I
Yeah,
announced that in 1 month you will have a mock exam for paper one, right?
okay. Yeah.
That means that you will be doing paper one all the way. Just repeat the paper one because that's the whole point.
Okay.
Oh, get used to paper one. Okay, this thing, maybe after a while you can do this one. Maybe after a while still cannot do the angle, but you keep practicing. After a while, you get used to it lah. For paper one,
Yeah.
paper
Yeah,
three will be a
people.
bit different later lah. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Unless necessary, please don't go to paper three first. Just whack your paper one correctly. Okay.
Yeah, usually it's paper one and paper three only, right? The paper two is extended. I think
No,
it's
no. Paper
different.
1, 3, and 5.
Yeah,
2,
yeah.
4, 6, you don't worry. 1, 3, 5. 5 is totally
Yeah,
later.
because
One
it's
first lah.
not calculator is not allowed, and then it's kind of like complicated. I mean, the
Correct.
questions are more
Correct.
like, yeah, it's more complicated than
Please do not go there
yeah.
first. Yeah, please don't.
Yeah.
Not helpful at all. So 1 first, and then maybe after 1 month, 1 and 3, maybe lah, maybe. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Now, hopefully there's a good change lah. Hopefully there's a good change. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you show me some physics, so I am seeing this topic and everything lah, right? But I don't
Yes.
see any working, right? Did you do something?
I went to the previous one, which is I finished up the this one, the paper one, because we didn't really finish that, so tried to like answer all of it.
Ask me some question first. I've never
Yeah,
had a
okay,
feel of your physics lah, so I really want to know what your
okay.
physics is lah. Okay, maybe ask me something.
I'm only like having a hard time with the measurements like this. For example, he explained it to me already.
It's a moment question. Yeah, moment question, right? Moment
Yes.
question. Right. And I do want you to focus on this question again. The moment question you will notice is a lot. Okay.
Yeah,
So tell
it's
me,
like,
what is the
yeah.
problem? What is your problem? Tell me. You gotta at least figure out I'm confused
okay.
where, right?
Yeah. So for this one, I do understand that this is to multiply the
Distance.
yeah.
The
And then
distance and the force lah. Okay, right. So far so good.
yes.
Okay, then
And then for this one, I'm kind of like slightly confused. So this is for the weight. So the weight. And I think the question is the number 2.
for part A, is exactly the same as what you did, right? 0.14 times 5.5, right? Which is 0.77, and that is approximately 0.8. 0.77 is very close to 0.8.
Okay. So if
Now,
the
what
question
is the
is like
confusion?
similar to this, like it always the same
The way they ask,
like method, yes.
The way I does can vary a little bit, which is why you focus on this topic for a while. Because after a while, it becomes quite easy lah. After a while, you get used to the variation. But what you're doing here, especially what Brian told you, the sum of, clockwise movement, blah, 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 the part 2 one. The part 2 is super standard. The part 2 will always happen one. Part 2 will always happen. Okay? Part 2 is always happen. So yeah, it is quite a standard question if you ask me. It's good to get used to it and it's good to understand it because I am asking you guys to focus on this topic for a while. Now, am I answering your question? Because I'm confused. What is your question? Am I answering anything?
I mean, it's kind of like the method would be the same.
Okay, Dylan, maybe I'll say this to you clearly first. Say this clearly. In physics, sometimes the question have the same method and sometimes it's just different. If you demand that every question must have the same method, you will be happy sometimes and you will be disappointed sometimes. That's how it is, Dylan. If you try to memorize the step too much, that means you are not, how do I say it? That's what I said. You will be successful in some question and you will be disappointed in some other question. It's just a matter of whether you will get C or not. Is that what you're trying to ask?
Yes. So
then
it's not,
that's the
it's
answer.
not necessarily to like.
No, it is similar.
Yeah.
It is similar. And frankly speaking, for a moment, you only have to memorize one formula. That's all. I think for a moment, it's better that you spend time understanding it a bit. It's worth it. Then you can, no matter what question they ask, you can handle. Instead of you just memorizing the steps. That's what I feel about moment. It will be different from other topics. Other topics are just very difficult to understand. Okay, fine, we memorize. That's okay. This one is not difficult to understand. That's what I feel. Okay? That's what I will advise to Brian also. They call it a moment or something. Maybe you look at your TYS table of content. I'll show you which topic this is. The TYS table of content. Yeah. Turning effect of forces. You circle topic 4. Circle topic 4. Okay, that was what I asked you to focus later. And topic 14. Topic 14, topic 15, and topic 16. These 4 topics, I feel it is quite easy to understand. So take advantage of it. Okay. If you really cannot understand and you feel you have to memorize, I will change the strategy for physics because physics in general, if you just memorize, you cannot hit C. It's a bit dangerous. It's a bit dangerous. For bio, different. If you memorize, that's a good thing. You know, different subject, different strategy. What else can I say? Right? You cannot just ask physics to be like bio because that's not how it works. Okay. Again, for the topics I chose for you and Brian, this is a topic that is supposed to be understood. It will tell everybody, me, you, Brian, whether understanding is a good strategy or not for you. However, Darlene, how come I feel that you can understand? That's my personal feeling, Darlene. My personal feeling is that you can understand, but you feel that you cannot.
Just
That's what I feel.
Yeah.
Give yourself a bit of a time first, 1 month. 1 month.
Yeah, I will have
1
to.
month. Just 1 month.
Yeah.
Try first, try.
Yeah.
Don't consider yourself cannot understand. Don't do that. Especially not for physics. It's my suggestion. Okay? Try first. Okay?
Yeah.
I purposely leave out the harder topics anyway. I purposely. Okay? Now, Brian is here. I will invite both of you to the breakout rooms. All right. Okay. All right, Brian. Oh yeah. Hi, Brian. I can see you. All right. Okay. Where's the breakout room? I have to do that. All right, the room is open.
Okay.
Oh, Rizal, tadi aku lihat ya. Rizal, saya dengar.
Bisa.
Oke. Rizal ini kan lagi kosong nih. Ya, alasannya karena mungkin murid-muridnya ada yang habis exam atau gimana gitu, jadi mereka nggak datang. Biasalah capek banget kan.
Ya.
Em, aku cuma ngecek, nanti kalau mungkin setelah 15 menit ya, ternyata benar itu yang terjadi, karena salah satu dari mereka tuh lagi hampir nem. Jadi lagi udah mulai apa ya, udah mulai banyak ujian-ujian
Oh,
persiapan lah gitu. Ternyata kalau
iya.
itu alasannya, ya udah, berarti hari ini nggak ada murid, ya udah kita stop dulu. Ya, tapi
Oke.
mungkin sekitar 15 menit lah. Cek dulu ya. Oke,
Iya.
bentar ya. Halo, Rizal, bisa dengar?
Bisa.
Oke, ya Rizal, belum ada kabar nih. Jadi ya udah untuk hari ini Rizal bisa berhenti aja dulu. Kalau QQ memang harus nunggu di sini.
Oke. Oke.
Oke, kalau gitu enjoy weekendnya ya. Ketemu lagi next.
Ya.
Dan
Dah.